Hi guys, welcome to our channel Tech Belt. In this video we are gonna talk about new Oppo A31. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel for more related updates. The Oppo has recently unveiled this new budget phone in Indonesia. The Oppo A31 comes up with 6.5 inches WATERDROP display, which seems pretty decent. It comes up with 4 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which is pretty good too in mid-range category. Moreover, it comes up with octa-core processor. The Oppo A31 will provide a HD resolution of 720 into 1600 pixel. On the rear side there is a triple camera setup, plus a fingerprint sensor. The main camera of the phone will be of 12 megapixel, while the macro camera of the phone is of 2 megapixel, along with 2 megapixel of depth sensor. The front camera of the phone is of 8 megapixel. The Oppo A31 is running on Android Pie. Coming to the battery, the Oppo A31 comes up with 4230 mAh battery. Oppo A31 does not come with Type-C port, it comes up with micro USB port. The Oppo A31 is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, which performs well in the mid-range category. So, that's all for today guys, we'll see you with another video soon. If you enjoyed this video then please subscribe this channel and support us. Thank you.